What's up and welcome back to 30 Days of Pouring Into Ourselves. It is the last day of the month. How are we feeling? We're stepping into the final month of the year, and I wish that this month is the greatest month for you of this whole entire year. You never know. You never know. It only takes a day for your life to change. But anyways, moving forward, jumping into the song of the day. The song of the day is Bolinha de Papel. I know I'm saying that wrong. The title's in Portuguese. It is a Brazilian bossa nova track. Typically when I'm like just doing anything around the house, I'll put on some bossa nova. That's just what I like to vibe to. I actually have a headache, so I need to turn that off. But moving forward onto picking your brain for today, I want to know what is something tangible or intangible that you've come across this year that has made your overall existence better or strengthened your faith. I want to know. Tell me. And I want to know if you feel that I should continue this series next month. Let me know. Oh, and don't forget to like this video, because I don't know about you, but I believe that to change the world, it starts by all of us working on ourselves, tapping into our power, and yeah, moving forward. So it's about that time. We're gonna do some third eye chakra affirmations. So on the count of 3, take 3 deep breaths and make sure the final one is the deepest breath you've taken all day. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Shake out any kinks you got. I trust that my highest good is unfolding. I choose to tap into my inner wisdom. My inner wisdom guides me to my highest good. My third eye sees all. I radiate indigo blue light from my third eye chakra. I honor my intuition and use it as a guide. Whenever I am in doubt, I always listen to my inner voice. No matter what, I always have the answer. Even in silence, I always have the answer. My intuition leads me to my passion and purpose in life. I see all things in clarity. I am open to the wisdom within. You know we were going to say that again. I am open to the wisdom within. I can manifest my vision. I can manifest anything I desire. I trust and follow my intuition. I have found that if I quiet myself, the answers will come to me. I am connected to my true path and purpose. I release and forgive the past. This is perfect because we're definitely still in full moon energy. I release and forgive the past. I deepen my connection with Spirit and discover the unique ways that it speaks to me. I am deepening my connection with Spirit and discovering the unique ways that it speaks to me. I am an open and clear channel that receives guidance and clarity from my guides and the universe. I am open to seeing new possibilities that align with my spirit. I am thankful for the wisdom that I hold and look forward to sharing it every chance I get. Yes. I am connected with all beings and feel the wisdom of all life embedded within my body, mind, and spirit. I am connected with all beings and feel the wisdom of life embedded within my body, mind, and spirit. Beautiful. I am an expression of the divine. I am a loving soul in a human body and am being guided by my good feelings. Today, I cast out any versions of myself that I no longer resonate with. Today, I cast out any narratives that I have told myself that are untrue. Today, I relinquish any doubt, disbelief, or worries that surround me. Today, I am rooted in love and trust and am only seeking the truth. As the truth sets me free. I can tap into source energy at any time. I am so thankful that I understand my worth and my power. You knew we were going to say that again. I am so thankful that I understand my worth and am stepping into my power. I am so thankful to be receiving all of the wisdom that has been bestowed unto me. I am so grateful for the lessons that I've been learning in this season that will be applied as wisdom in the next. That one was really good. Go me. I am on the path of enlightenment. And am willing to be led by the universe. My intuition knows all. At times, I feel things. And today, I am choosing to not question them, but use them as a guide. I am am a channel for inspiration. And no matter what it looks like or what I'm going through, I am always being guided to a path that serves my highest good. I choose to be the light in all situations because I know that I am a source for many. I know that I am magnetic. That my life serves a purpose. And so I will continue to walk in mine. I want to thank you guys for taking some time out today with me. I want to say, regardless of what you're going through, regardless of how you felt before you clicked on this video, I hope that all of this does something for you and that I'm not just talking to myself in my room. But I do that either way. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and until the next time, take care.